The question says write the isomers of the compound having formula C4H9Br. C4H9Br. Okay. About isomers, we have learned these are the species which have the same molecular formula, chemical formula, but different arrangement of atoms. Okay, and this is alkyl halide. And alkyl halide can show chain isomers as well as position isomers. And about chain isomers, you might have learned in chain isomers parent chain is different, but in position isomers parent chain is same. Okay, you can see in this alkyl halide there are 4 carbon. So when we draw the structure of isomers, different isomers, we can consider the straight chain also, and we can consider the branch chain also. Okay, branch chain. First of all, we go for the straight chain. Okay, so we have the first structure. You can see how many carbon are there. C, C, C and C. 4 carbon are there. Okay, if I attach Cl here, okay, listen very carefully. If I attach Cl to the N carbon, so this is what 1 chloro, and this is butane is there, 1 chlorobutane. This is the parent chain from here to here. Parent chain is there. But if I mention, you can see C and C and C there. If I attach Cl here, so we got a 2 chlorobutane. This is 1 chlorobutane. This is 2 chlorobutane is there. If you see that this is the parent chain we have. This is the parent chain. Here also we have. This is the parent chain are there. Okay. So in this case, these 2 isomers are the example of position isomers. Okay, these 2 structures are example of position isomers because parent chain is same, but both compound are different because this is 1 chloro, this is 2 chloro is there. Okay, now next if I attach Cl here, so same only because I will start counting from here. So 2 chloro, if you attach Cl here, so I'll get 1 chloro. Okay, we got in position isomers 2 halides. Now we can do the branching also. If we do the branching, so what happens exactly? We have C, C and C and C is there. No, sorry, one more Cl and one more C we can attach. This is C is there. Okay. So if you start numbering from here, it is 1, 2 and it is 3 there. So 2 methyl. Here we can say, sorry, 1 chloro, 2 methyl and it is propane is there. In this case, this is the parent chain is there. This is the parent chain. Okay. Okay, if you compare, you can see, if you compare these 2, so we can say these 2. I'm not talking about these 2. I'm talking about these 2. If you compare these 2, so in this case, these 2 are the example of chain isomers because parent chain is different. Okay. Even if you compare this isomer with this one, yeah, this is structure with this one. So these 2 are example of chain isomers because you can see parent chain is different. In this case, 3 carbon. In this case, 4 carbon are there. We can consider one more. We can take tertiary because we can see we got the primary alkyl halide is there. I can draw it like this: C, C, and C is there, and C is there, and this is tertiary carbon, and Cl we attach here. Cl is attached. Okay. Cl attached here. So this is also possible. We did the branching. Okay. So in this case, we can see parent chain. This is the parent chain we have. This is the parent chain. Okay. Longest carbon chain is there. Further we can do the branching. I don't think it is possible. Okay, so in this case, if you want to name it, this is what 1 chloro, sorry, 1 2 is there, 2 chloro, 2 methyl and propane is there. Okay, and in this case also you can see we got 1 chloro, 2 methyl propane is there. If you see, these 2 are example of position isomers. These 2 examples of position isomers, and this one example of chain isomers. This one example of chain isomers. And one more thing, this one example of chain isomers. This one example of chain isomer because parent chain is not same. Okay, the chain isomers parent chain is different, and position isomer parent chain is same. These 2 are example of we have position isomer. These 2 examples of position isomers. Total number of isomers, how many we are getting? 4. We have 4 is there. Total number of, because this is 1, this is second, and this is third, and this is 4 is there. We got 4. So total number of isomers we got 4. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.